Hello traders, Kelly254 here, and today is not the normal Deriv bot whereby I'm creating a bot from scratch rather than an update. That's why I always call for just comment the whole logic that you want me to use in your bot so that we avoid such circumstances as this. And I don't usually do like bot updates, but let me just do this one. So for this logic right over here, whereby if the last 4 digits or more digits are odd, it waits for the opposite digit. That is, if it's odd, then it waits for even. Then it starts to purchase even contract as soon as even digit appears. After a series of more opposite digits that is odd appear, it waits for even digit to appear and then it starts to purchase even. And then for the to purchase odd, it has to wait for at least 4 digits of even or more until an odd digit has appeared. Then it continues to purchase odd trades. Let's head over to updating the logic. By it was requested way up. Let me just scroll to way up. It was this video that I did here. This one here is the update whereby I'm supposed to, after the bot has got an entry, let it run for about 3 or 4 runs consecutively before going back to check for the next entry point. Not sure if it's possible, but yeah. So after the bot has got for an entry point, the bot should go for at least 3 or 4. Let me just use 3 runs. It will go for 3 runs before going back to find for an entry point. So let's head over to creating this bot. First thing is to reset this one, and I will not create it from scratch, rather update it, upload it right over here, and then continue building it. If you want to create this bot that I'll be updating, you can always watch this video, and I will attach a link on the description of this video, and you can see, you can watch it right from the link. So first, let's delete the cell block and then switch this one to digits. I'm supposed to upload it, sorry. So go to my files and then pick that bot. There it is. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to create some variables. That is I'll create a loss count, not a loss count, but a trade count. A trade count like that. And I'll also create logic. So I'll need to set these two. So first is to set loss count. Trade count, sorry, trade count. I'll set it to 0. So go to maths like that, and then head over to logic and then set logic to true or false. Like that. And then after doing that, we need now to head over to this block, that is restarting conditions, then attach this block right over here, that is put it to false. And then I need also a logic like that, then logic again. I pick this block, and also I need maths. I need this block, change trade count, change trade count by 1, trade count by 1 like that. I'll need it to be 1 right over there, and then duplicate this one, then set it to true, and also duplicate this one and then set it to 0 like that. And then if trade count, let me go to variables. If trade count is greater or equal to 3, then automatically we need the bot to start again searching for an entry point. I'll also need this block, then we will attach this block right over there. Then I'll delete these two. Then if logic variables, then pick logic, then delete this one. If logic is equals to true, then we need it to run these two conditions right over here. Like that. So before first if I run the bot, it will initially go to finding out for the entry point and then continue. And I want first to test. There's no need of testing. Let me just go direct to see if we will get an entry point. You can see the first thread supposed to go to the next one. At least now it will be there should be an error right over here. This should be 0 like that. Then let's run the bot. The thread count should be set to 0. Let's see what happens. Supposed to go for 3 runs before going out to waiting for an entry point. It's supposed to go to fetch for an entry point. Let's wait. Let's wait for it to get the entry point like that. And now it continues for another three threads. That's how it should run. You should add at least martingale to this bot, because you can see for the last runs that we have had, we have gone at least 2 wins. And for martingale, always be careful because it can easily wipe out your account. You can see the third loss, consecutive loss, fourth consecutive loss, the fifth consecutive loss. Like, always be careful, because an account that can accommodate 5 consecutive trades for martingale, it should be a good account enough. You can see the 6th consecutive loss, 7th, 8th. Maybe it could work better for the opposite direction. Let's just try out. But this is just trying out. Deriv does not always work like that. So if entry point is equals to even, let's change this one to odd, then this one to even. But Deriv does not always work like that. It does not basically mean that it will automatically work. If you change these sides, it can fail to work in sometimes, and sometimes you work. As you can see, that's 3 consecutive threads with these sides switched from the original design that we created the bot. I'll also be dropping videos on several ways that you can make money on Deriv. So stay tuned, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I'll be sharing much insightful content that you can always refer to, and even maybe get inspired to do maybe a bigger thing. Or yeah, there are several ways that you can make money on Deriv, not only trading. As I said earlier, it does not necessitate interchanging the two sides. Does not mean that you'll now continuously hit wins back to back. No. So that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, let's meet on the next video. The next video that I'll be creating is this bot right over here, this one. This is the next video that I'll be creating, so make sure to stay tuned, to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn the notification bell on, so that anytime I upload a video, you'll get notified. And that's it.